Hello, everybody, and welcome. I am waiting for TikTok to let all of our friends that we are live, everybody. I am so sorry. Again, hello, everybody, and welcome. Hello, everybody, and welcome. Welcome. I am waiting for TikTok to tell all of our friends that we are live on this beautiful, what's today, Tuesday? On this beautiful Tuesday again, guys, welcome, and hello. Feel free to come through and drop your questions and comments down below. Actually speaking, I'll just kind of like jump straight into some limited time deals and specials. Oh, God. Because why not? So, jumping directly into these limited time deals and specials. I am going to start off right now. Dr. Sharara has a BBL summer special, $3,950. That is for Lipo 360 plus the BBL with Dr. Sharara. And do not forget that there is a consultation. So consultations are completely free, virtually or in person, depending on what exactly it is that you would like to get done. The Botox treatment, 50 units for just $400 with Avana Wellness. So it's a treatment super specials. Botox is $400 for just 50 units. Lip fillers, because again, guys, Avana Wellness does all things med spa. Avana Wellness is our med spa. So lip fillers, Botox, nasolabial fillers, the evening out the face, like so much more. So the lip fillers with Avana Wellness, one syringe for just $490. And then the PRP Simple, 3 sessions for just $300 with Avana Wellness, okay? So please do not forget to reach out or leave your name and number in the blue note box. I am so sorry. But again, leave your name and number in the blue note box for any type of limited time deals and specials that we may have at the moment. Whether that's for Avana Wellness or whether that is for Avana Plastic Surgery. The difference, Avana Plastic Surgery, all things plastic, cosmetic surgery, BBL, Lipo 360, tummy tucks, mommy makeovers, breast lift, breast aug, so on and so forth, breast reduction. That's Avana Plastic Surgery. Avana Wellness, all things med spa, Botox, lip fillers, nasolabial fillers, and so much more, okay? But that is Avana Wellness. So feel free to leave your name and number in the blue note box to get these prices sent directly to your phone. But going into the Lipo 360 plus BBL specials that are going on at the moment, first of all, it's the match deposit. If you put down a deposit of $250, we will match your deposit of $250, giving you $500 towards your surgery. Okay, so that's for the match deposit deal that we have at the moment. Again, $250, you put down your deposit of $250, we'll match that, and you have $500 going towards any procedure for whenever you're ready to book. So your deposit can be put down right now, but your surgery doesn't have to be until next month, 2 months from now, 3 months from now, maybe next year sometime, okay? So Dr. Palacio, starting off for her, has Lipo 360 plus a BBL for $3,250. I'm sorry. Dr. Palacio again, Lipo 360 plus a BBL, $3,250. With Dr. Golio, Lipo 360 plus a BBL is $3,550. With Dr. McDaniel, it is Lipo 360 plus a BBL, $4,750. With Dr. Lester, Lipo 360 plus a BBL is $5,250. With Dr. Meniscus, Lipo 360 plus a BBL is $4,250. With Dr. Salama, Lipo 360 plus the BBL is $3,950. With Dr. Schusterman, the Lipo 360 plus the BBL is $3,250. With Dr. Sharara, Lipo 360 plus a BBL is $3,950. With Dr. Hassan, Lipo 360 plus the BBL procedure is $5,150. And last but not least, with Dr. Payne, the Lipo 360 plus BBL procedure is $4,250. Now, keep in the back of your mind, y'all, that these are limited time deals and specials, first things first. So leave your name and number in the blue note box to secure it, okay? 2, keep in the back of your mind that also, along with these being limited time deals and specials, the Lipo 360 procedure, BBL, when I say Lipo 360 plus BBL, Lipo 360s automatically come with your Brazilian butt lift, because the BBL, Brazilian butt lift, is a fat transfer procedure. So that's your fat from your stomach, your sides, and your back being transferred to your butt. That's the BBL procedure. So Lipo 360 plus BBL, leave your name and number in the blue note box to get that. But it is not vice versa. Meaning when you book the Lipo 360, all you are booking is a Lipo 360. But when you book the BBL procedure, you are also technically booking Lipo 360 because it comes with it automatically, okay? But why is that? Once again, the BBL procedure, it is your natural fat. So we need the fat from your stomach, your sides, and your back, okay? To be put in your butt. So it's your natural fat. So you technically can say that, hey, this is all me, all mine, all natural, because it's your natural fat, okay? But we offer other procedures like tummy tucks, which can be included in the mommy makeover procedure. The mommy makeover, or MMO, is a combo procedure of the breast area and then the midsection, the stomach area. So that's a breast lift, breast reduction, breast augmentation, and or. So yes, you can get a breast lift and a breast reduction at the same time. Then for the stomach area, that's lipo, tummy tuck, extended tummy tuck, and or. So yes, you can get a tummy tuck plus liposuction when you are booking the mommy makeover procedure. So that is one of the other things that we offer besides BBLs. Again, I mentioned breast lift, breast reduction, breast augmentations. Implants can be saline or silicone implants for the breast, okay? So it can be saline or silicone. And people don't realize that you can get implants along with the breast lift, okay? So that's actually possible. So just keep that in the back of your mind, okay? And a common question is, how would you know whether to get the breast augmentation, so the breast lift, the breast augmentation, so the breast implants, or the breast lift? My best advice is to just get a consultation and show the surgeon or tell them your desired results, and they can tell you exactly what procedure will be best for you based on your desired look, based on how you want to look, based on all of that good stuff, okay, y'all? So again, first name, last name, number in the blue note box to the bottom left of your screen to go ahead and get the consultation with the surgeon. And remember that these consultations are completely free. It can be either a virtual consultation, so that's through like Zoom or FaceTime, whatever the video call, the video chat may be. That's where the consultation can be held virtually if you don't want to come in person, or it can be in person. In-person consultations can be scheduled as well, okay? Or it can be a walk-in. So we do accept walk-in consultations. With these walk-ins, you have to come anytime from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., okay? If you come after that, you might be out of gas, okay? So walk-ins, anytime from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., that's when you can walk in and get you a consultation. It's literally what it sounds like, a walk-in, okay? Or you can just leave your name and number in the blue note box to get a consultation virtually with any surgeon of choice. And again, these are free. In these consultations, my best advice will be to talk to the surgeon, ask them questions, talk about procedures, talk about, hey doctor, I'm gonna say, hey surgeon, hey doctor, I'm interested in Lipo 360. What do you recommend? Or, based on how my body looks right now, would you recommend the tummy tuck or Lipo 360? Like, these are all questions that you guys can be asking in these consultations, because that's how you can book the proper procedure without any surprises, okay? Also, feel free to ask them in these consultations, doctor, what is your maximum BMI requirement, okay? What is your BMI requirements? What is the max that you'll go up to? BMI stands for body mass index. So pretty much it is your height to weight ratio. When you ask your surgeon, hey doctor, what is the maximum BMI? That's pretty much saying, let's say, for example, if they have a BMI maximum of 35, okay, and you're sitting pretty at 33, you're good to go. You can go with that surgeon. But if their maximum is 35 and you're at maybe a 35.5, they may give you some little tips and tricks and tools on what to do to get down to their BMI max if you would like to continue to proceed with that specific surgeon. If you choose to go with another surgeon, that's completely fine as well, based on BMI requirements. That's when things get a little bit sticky, but I would definitely say, y'all, just leave your name and number in the blue note box, okay? Now, with the also with the BMI requirements, if your surgeon says, hey, my BMI max is 35, but maybe you're a 36 or maybe you're 35.5, like I said before, but possibly the weight is held in your lower body, that's your hips and in your butt. The surgeon may or may not be able to excuse you, because if the weight is in your butt, then in that case, and if you're getting a BBL, I mean, in that case, but that's why I do say get a consultation, because that's not guaranteed, okay? We're going to always recommend to be below their BMI requirements, but if you have that consultation with them and talk to them, you may or may not be able to get excused to still book with that surgeon, okay? But that's why I do highly encourage y'all to get these consultations. For one, they're free. For two, it'll help you to avoid any confusion or any unnecessary, yeah. Okay, so name and number in the blue note box. So we talked about consultations and BMIs and prices. Let's talk about our Dallas location, y'all, before I go ahead and end this live. Avana Dallas is coming very, very, very soon. For any updates about Avana Dallas, please feel free to follow us on Instagram. The Instagram page is Avana Plastic Surgery, or follow us right here on TikTok, Miami AV Plastic, because I go on live every single day, multiple times a day. Now, with Avana, I'm sorry, I just thought about something. I just blinked out really fast. With Avana Dallas, our Dallas location coming very, very soon. If you are somewhere near Dallas, Texas, or just somewhere in the bordering cities and states of Texas in general, please feel free to check out the surgeons that's going to be at our Dallas location. But if your heart is stuck on our Miami surgeons, of course, y'all just come on down to Miami to come see about us, okay? Now, a common question is, will the same surgeons that work at the Miami locations, be in the Dallas location? The answer is no. Dallas will have their own set of surgeons that will be there, like Dr. Sharara, for example, who is already in Dallas. So feel free to check out his results on our Instagram page. But Dallas will have their own set of surgeons that will be at that location, okay? It won't be necessarily the same surgeons that are in Miami, but still amazing, amazing, amazing surgeons. So check us out on Instagram for some results for all surgeons, whether it's Dallas or whether it's Miami. All of our surgeons will be on the Instagram page, and all of the surgeons are highlighted and tagged in their work, so there should be no confusion as to who is who, which surgeon is which, such and such and such and such. Also, the Dallas location, let me show you the specific. Any updates or news about Dallas will have this little flag on it, okay? Do you see that little flag right there? Any updates, any news in regards to Dallas will have that particular flag there. For example, let me show you. I'm trying to find like some before and after. I'm so sorry. With Dr. Sharara. So I can show y'all. Let me find this before and after with Dr. Sharara so I can show you guys how our Dallas updates will look. Salama, meniscus. Okay. For example, Brazilian butt lift. As you can see, the little Dallas flag that I said will be there is right there at the bottom of the screen, okay? But y'all, this pretty much wraps up this live, my beautiful people. I am going to be back on here tomorrow. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing rest of your day. See you guys.